Welcome to the channel. Want to work from home and earn a full-time income remotely? Whether you're looking for flexibility, better work-life balance, or a career change, remote jobs offer incredible opportunities. In this video, I'll share the best work-from-home jobs, from freelancing to remote corporate positions, so you can find the perfect fit. Hit that like button, and let's get started. Working from home has become more popular than ever, offering flexibility, convenience, and the opportunity to earn a full-time income remotely. Whether you're looking for a career change, a side hustle, or a way to balance work and personal life, there are numerous remote job opportunities available. The remote job market is competitive, so staying updated with industry trends is crucial. Online courses from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare can help you learn new skills or improve existing ones. Certifications can also enhance credibility and increase your earning potential. This guide explores the best work-from-home jobs, how to get started, and tips for maximizing your earnings. 10. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, and performing data entry. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer opportunities to find virtual assistant jobs. Strong organizational skills and proficiency in productivity tools like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace are essential. Some virtual assistants specialize in areas like bookkeeping, project management, or customer support, allowing them to command higher rates. 9. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a lucrative work-from-home job that allows you to write content for blogs, websites, and businesses. Writers can specialize in various niches, such as technology, finance, health, and travel. Websites like ProBlogger, Cantina, and Freelancer connect writers with clients. Building a portfolio and consistently delivering high-quality content can lead to long-term clients and higher earnings. Additionally, ghostwriting and copywriting are in high demand, with businesses looking for engaging website content and persuasive sales copy. 8. Graphic design. Graphic designers create visual content for websites, social media, advertisements, and branding materials. If you have experience with tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva, you can find freelance gigs on platforms like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Upwork. Many companies and entrepreneurs seek designers to help with logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Graphic designers can also expand their income by selling design templates, digital artwork, and branding packages online. 7. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great remote job for educators and subject matter experts. Tutors can teach students of all ages in subjects like math, science, English, and test preparation. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Tutorm connect tutors with students worldwide. Having expertise in a subject and strong communication skills can help you succeed in this field. Advanced tutors can offer specialized courses, such as SAT/ACT prep or coding lessons, increasing their earning potential. 6. Social media management. Businesses rely on social media managers to create, schedule, and monitor content across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you understand social media trends, engagement strategies, and analytics, you can offer services to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Time management is essential when working from home. Using productivity tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion can help you track tasks and meet deadlines. Setting clear working hours and taking regular breaks will improve focus and prevent burnout. Websites like People Per Hour and LinkedIn are excellent for finding social media management gigs. Some social media managers also work as content strategists, helping brands create long-term plans to engage their audiences. 5. Web development. Web developers create and maintain websites, working with languages like JavaScript and WordPress. Companies and entrepreneurs frequently hire developers to build or improve their websites. Freelance developers can find opportunities on platforms like Toptal, Freelancer, and Upwork. Learning web development through online courses can help beginners enter this high-paying field. Advanced developers can also specialize in e-commerce platforms, mobile app development, or cybersecurity. 4. Customer support representative. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries via phone, email, or chat. This role requires good communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and patience. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and American Express offer remote customer service jobs with competitive salaries and benefits. Some positions require technical knowledge, such as IT support or software troubleshooting, which can lead to higher-paying opportunities. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning commissions for sales made through your referral links. Bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers leverage affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ShareASL, and Rakuten to monetize their content. Creating valuable content and growing an audience are key to success in affiliate marketing. Some affiliate marketers also build niche websites, optimizing them for SEO to drive organic traffic and increase passive income. 2. Online selling and e-commerce. E-commerce allows individuals to sell products through platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify. Whether selling handmade crafts, digital products, or drop-shipping items, e-commerce provides an excellent opportunity to work from home. Learning about product sourcing, marketing, and customer service is essential for running a successful online store. Many e-commerce entrepreneurs scale their businesses by using fulfillment services like Amazon FBA or by launching private label brands. 1. Remote software development. Software development is one of the highest-paying remote jobs. Developers work on applications, software solutions, and mobile apps using programming languages like Python, Java. Many tech companies offer remote positions with competitive salaries. Working remotely requires a dedicated workspace to stay productive. Invest in a comfortable chair, a reliable computer, and a stable internet connection. Having a quiet environment and minimizing distractions will help you focus and maintain efficiency. Platforms like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and WeWork remotely list remote software development jobs. Experienced developers can also build and sell their own software solutions, subscription services, or online tools to generate recurring income. With the right skills and dedication, remote jobs can provide financial stability and career growth. Whether freelancing, working for a company, or starting an online business, working from home offers flexibility and independence. And that's your guide to the best work-from-home jobs. Whether you choose freelancing, remote employment, or online business, the key is to find what works best for you. Which remote job are you interested in? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more work-from-home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.